What is going on, guys? Malvados Garage back with another video, and in today's video we got something good. Oh wait, before anything else, before we continue, I want to give a special thanks to the 186 people that are subscribed. That shit's insane. I think it's crazy. So thank you guys for like all the support. Thank you for liking the video, watching the videos, subscribing. Thank you for it all. So in today's video, we got some LED. Well, let Isaiah talk because he knows more.
These are the Alpharex headlights. I got them from DVA Designs. They got a whole bunch of parts. Once we install them, we're gonna show you guys. But they go from daytime running lights to yellow turning amber lights. So these are pretty fudging sick.
But yeah, luckily we're recording this at night, so you guys can see actually like how bright they are in the night.
Definitely.
We did that purposely.
I still have the OEM, but it's time for something nice, something needed. Hopefully the blacked out look completes the truck.
Yeah, all right, so let's get into today's video.
One thing I want to go over is soon to be installed is my drop kit. We got the belt.
What? There is no way, bro. What? Dead ass?
What the?
Wait, so I guess we got a freaking drop kit in the works coming soon.
We need more content. This is all for you guys. All for you guys. We want to get new people, get more content out there. Coming soon.
Well, the first step actually to removing the headlight is what, Isaiah?
First, you gotta take out this upper molding off, which is 2 screws. This one.
Okay, so that this wrap
between the bumper and the headlights and the grille, it's just a piece of molding.
It goes all around the sides. So Isaiah says there's 2 bolts. Let me point them out for you.
2 screws on the side.
Isaiah lost
I'm missing one, but there's supposed to be 2.
And then obviously 2 on the other side. And yeah, so let's take it off.
And the reason why is because then you can see the bolts on the bottom. You can get to.
All right. So 2 bolts got taken off of that side. Isaiah got this side. So now I guess the next part is to remove.
Now it's clips in place. Okay, do I go?
What kind of initiation did you have to do?
Now that we got that one mold off right here, the next step, Isaiah. Oh, okay.
Well, we're gonna start from the top, but that showed.
Oh yeah.
2 bolts.
It exposed the 2 bolts. That is it. Which ones are they? These.
This one. I believe it's gonna be these 2 also, but I'm not sure.
The side.
Again,
we're gonna go. All right. So I feel like we're gonna have to take this bumper off because there's a lip, Isaiah, under the light. Yeah. But we'll see. We'll see as we go. So it's gonna be these 2 bolts right there are gonna be number 10.
Yeah. So we're gonna undo the bolt on top. That's 1.
Nice. Boom, boom. All right, while Isaiah does this, I'm gonna be replicating it on the other side.
I'm sorry, you were asking me. So guys, next on the to-do list, we got to take the grill off because the lip goes under it, and it's just gonna be these bolts up here, or not bolts, I guess clips. We don't have the right tool to take the clips off, so
there's some clips here on this part of the, like a little, what is it, dust guard or something, but took out the clips here, flipped it up, realized we have to take this whole bumper off to get these lights out because yeah, this grill out. So there's some bolts here, across the whole top of that. So basically we're gonna take that out, and I think it's gonna come out, so we'll catch you after we do that. So it's coming out.
Bolts on the bottom.
Oh yeah, oh I forgot about that. 2 bolts right here connecting here and here, and we loosened those up, pulled it out, and we forgot there's a clip right here, so you're gonna have to unbuckle or unclip it just like that. And I think everything should be pulled. Wait, this here, wait, is it this last little thing? Bam, just like that. Manpower. So now, thing comes out. And this was the thing that I was talking about right here. This like lip thing that the headlight has. So I wasn't gonna get out. So I think you were right, Isaiah. We did have to take that thing out.
There's 3 bolts for this molding right here. 10 mil.
Done. Take it out.
And there's a little clip that you gotta pry on right here.
Oh yeah. Right there.
And then bada bing, bada boom. This shit still is connected.
Is the light right here?
Sorry guys. What a dusty ass truck. You gotta use pliers to
That.
boom.
Holding off.
There's one more up here.
The song they're making, this is so hard.
It's coming out.
Yeah, we did it.
Fuck, I thought it broke.
How the fuck you get this
These are
out?
so annoying, bro.
You just have to do the little Mexican. It's gonna get out.
And bada bing, bada boom. It's still stuck. What the fuck?
For real? So we're gonna cut back to when we actually get this out. So stay tuned. So we got every single clip up here removed. We even removed like some bolts on the side right here. And the last parts that I saw were like these little things that were like clipped on here. And Isaiah's like, and it would just not budge out. So then Isaiah's like, let me check underneath and see what.
So from the bottom, what it was is it was clipped onto this air dam right here.
I pulled that.
And then he pulled up, I pulled down, finally got it free. And we're free and clear. Just gotta unclip the headlights and on to the next. We'll cut back when we are installing the new ones.
This is how it's gonna look. It's not in yet. We just set it right there for now. But it's gonna look sick. There's some wiring harness that like low-key freaks me out. But Isaiah and me are always gonna figure it out. So we're gonna start connecting stuff into where we believe they belong. And then we'll catch you when we are done and we'll explain everything and how we connected it. What we ended up doing was looking in the owner's manual and looking up right there, perfect, right here on this. We found that 10 is rain sensor. They said to use 10 or 35, so that's not what we needed. Number 35 is the vehicle power. So we tapped into that. Boom. Connected that right here. Found out that it was that one right there with the wire running in it. I hope this is how you do it. If not, whatever. Like we're young. We don't know how to really do stuff like that. Like kind of deep. Maybe later on, but not right now. So found that. Running the wire. Now what we're gonna do, we need to connect where is it? Red and black, obviously red positive, black negative. So we're gonna connect those two. Yep, we're gonna loosen up this bowl right there, this bowl right here, slide them under. We're gonna do that right now. I feel like we should connect the black one first.
You don't have to
Loosen it up completely.
just a little bit, enough to get it in.
Would you go get the nose done?
Right there. Put that in. Right there is it. Make sure, give it a little tug just to make sure that it's secured. All right. So, all right. Right there. A little tug just to make sure it's gonna not loosen up. And now we have wires just running around everywhere. We got oh yeah, also start on the passenger side because we found out that one of these cables here that connect to the headlight is shorter than the other one. So start on the passenger side, connect everything on this side.
And the fuse and the battery is all right here.
And obviously look at this long one that extends all the way to the other side. So yeah, so we're gonna connect these and we'll show you guys what's gonna happen. So
okay, there's this one. Where's that other yellow one?
Pull up over here.
I almost dropped my lights.
So now what you're gonna end up having running from the harness that they give you is this yellow one tab and this thing here.
So this little one is pretty self-explanatory.
Connects to
The
that
only
one.
thing with it is that you do need crimpers.
Which right here. Crimpers.
I don't want to crimp it just yet to make sure it's all wired correctly. That's not even crimping it. You're not even at the crimpers. There you go.
Oh, right here.
That was good. This shit's covered.
Okay. All right. So crimp that because I believe in us, no doubt.
I don't.
So
And then there's this small yellow wire with the plug. Plugs into the passenger side headlight.
This is a little slow, like that.
I'm trying to explain. There you go.
There you go. And then
this one plugs into your regular headlight. Right here. Boom.
this one is your turn signal here. Plugs in right there. We're gonna connect that in a little bit. We'll connect that at the end, but that's where it goes because we need to kind of set it up and put in place. But I think what are we gonna do? Turn on the truck just to make sure everything's wired correctly.
Well, yeah, we're gonna have Oscar hold it in place.
What is this here?
Oh shit! Hey, turn it around. Do it again. Do it again.
Damn, that thing looks nice.
That's daytime? You're bright. That's sick.
They're
Oh, fuck.
sick. No,
They
take
still got a protective cover on it.
We'll
that's
take
the
that
now
off
off, yeah. Wait, put the turn signal on to the right.
Quit fucking playing with me.
Okay, so something's not right, but wait, do it again.
Just to put the.
So we figured it out.
Right
now?
Wait, what did you do different that didn't work? Hold on, pause it. Huh?
I put the key in.
Oh, he put the key in. So look, I also connected something else. I don't know what it was, but I connected it.
So that's the daytime running light. Now put the turn signal on.
Ooh, that thing is nice.
Bro, this is sick. Oh my god.
That thing is so nice.
What the fuck?
Wait, what about the light? Ooh,
Sick.
that's a nice light, Loki.
I miss my.
Wait, what about the high beams?
It would look better with those plastic things. Looking nice.
Ooh,
Yo, that's fucking sick.
I like them. I like them a lot. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh, that was sick. I don't know what that was, but hold on. Let me show Isaiah what just happened. So I'm gonna cut back, and then everything here on this side is now done. We're gonna replicate the same process. Well, kind of the same process on this side. Button that up with the bolts. Put everything back. Nice job, Oscar. We'll catch you guys on when we're like all done with everything and everything's buttoned up. So we got everything buttoned up at the end. It was like what would you say? How long? 2 hours, 3 hours?
Usually an hour, but we're just
We're messing around. We're like laughing. We're having fun. So
really hard work.
yeah. So if you guys enjoyed the video, if it helped you at all, leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you're new. And
This is the final product.
I'll show you. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.